may have heard the phrase, you don't need a lawyer until you need a lawyer, but that's not the case for small business owners. Having a legal professional in your corner from the start is key to success.
Yeah, that holds especially true if the business is in the planning stage. If you're starting a small business or if you already own one, listen up. Our next guest has some great advice. We've got Rose Coonen from Coonen Law here to talk about a proactive legal plan for business owners. Rose, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's talk a little bit about this. Why a business owner needs to have a lawyer and a legal plan in place, preferably before you start the business, right?
Yeah, I mean, there's lots of different considerations for small business owners, and it starts with startups, from what type of entity to choose, do they need contracts, and so just having someone that can answer those questions for them and get them off to a good start is helpful.
And I'm sure that a small business owner of a smaller size is probably worried about cost. Is probably worried about, I need a lawyer, but I'm not really sure I can afford one. Is this for all sizes, for your big corporations, even down to your mom and pops?
All sizes, all sizes. Right, there's risk out there for any business owner. And so when we look at cost, we try to have packages available to keep in mind that a startup might not have the resources available. And so we do everything on a flat fee basis, but we can tailor packages for need.
Absolutely.
Well, can we talk a little more about what a lawyer does for a business and why you need one? Because I think that people probably don't get that.
Yeah. So an attorney, a lot of bigger corporations will have an in-house counsel.
Sure.
And so small business owners can't afford that. Or maybe they don't need full-time legal counsel. And so that's where we like to come alongside those small business owners and look at, what do you need strategically from a legal standpoint? And we're there as that fractional legal counsel. And we'd like to start off with, small business owners don't know what they don't know. And so we have an assessment to kind of look at what are the risks and where do they fall? And that can kind of help us pinpoint where do we start? What are the legal issues that we should proactively start looking at?
Yeah, no business owner wants to be caught with hindsight being 20/20 saying, if only I had known this going in. So you
Right.
kind of check those boxes before they start.
Yeah.
So what type of risks are small business owners not seeing?
Yeah.
what are they not, what's under the grass?
Yeah, the risk is the biggest risk is employees, right? Are they employees? Are they independent contractors? We see that a lot as businesses start growing and adding staff. Contract issues, and changes in the law. The law is always changing. We've seen multiple changes just this year that affect small business owners. And so those are things that they might not have on their radar, and we're there to kind of guide them so they don't get snagged in one of these changes.
Yeah, absolutely. And just talk more about your role too when you're planning, even before you're starting a business. You have this idea, you get all these ducks in a row, and where the lawyer fits in there. And explain your role there.
Yeah. For a startup, we come in, we help them pick the right type of entity, we help them figure out from a tax standpoint what might make the most sense, but also looking at where are those relationships that they're going to have. Are they with customers, with vendors, landlords? All those relationships need some sort of an agreement, and that's where contracts come in.
And we're seeing something on our screens right now. Is this the assessment?
Yes, this is the assessment. So this is where business owners can go. It's a 20-point assessment and just kind of see where are they at? Where are they at today? Is there risk that they might not know about?
Yeah, and you mentioned some of those risks.
Yeah.
You also mentioned some legal changes just recently. Is there anything top of mind that may come to mind to say, hey, listen, small business owners should know this?
Yes. So one change that we're finding a lot of small business owners don't know about is as of the first of the year, there's a change from the federal government where certain small business owners have to file a beneficial owner report disclosing who the owners of the company are. And this is something a lot of small business owners don't know about. There's some exceptions. Many businesses aren't falling into that. The risk is that there's a $500 a day fine.
A day?
A
Wow.
day.
Okay, for a small business owner,
Small
that's
business owner,
a big deal.
yeah. And it is a felony.
Oh,
And so
my.
it's hefty fines, and small business owners don't know. It's easy to comply with, but it's not on their radar.
Yeah. I mean, this just makes perfect sense as you're sitting here telling us this, because as a business owner, you want to find the best person for the job and let them do their job.
Right.
And in this case, that's you, right?
Yeah, they know their piece, they do their piece well, and they don't have time to worry about the legal.
Yeah, it's nice to have it covered.
Yeah.
Peace of mind.
Yeah, that's what you're looking
more
for.
than
If you
anything.
want some of that peace of mind, well, there's a good place you can go today, and that's Coonen-law.com. Maybe you are a small business owner. Maybe that $500 a day fine perked your ears up saying, hey, I want to make sure my ducks are in a row. Well, good place to start. 616-951-1531. Contact Coonen Law for more. We'll be right back.